How to private the YouTube videos. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to make your YouTube video private, the steps are simple. First of all, on your Android, just open the YouTube app and sign in. After that, click on Profile, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on View Channel option. It should take you to your channel. From here, tap on Manage Videos. Now click on the three dots right next to your video that you want to make private. After tapping on it, go to Edit and then you will see the option of Visibility. Tap on it and then select Private. Now go back to the previous page and click on Save. And just by that, you have changed and made the video private. Keep in mind, private videos can only be viewed by people you invite. Unlisted videos won't appear in search results, but anyone with the link can view them. So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.